everyone and welcome to my channel. This island is a paradise in middle of nowhere. We stayed in this beautiful over-the-water villa at Gangehi Island Resort. Just 30 minutes away from Malé by seaplane and about 2 hours by speedboat. It is 1 hour behind Malé, or you can set your watch to Dhaka, Bangladesh time zone. We had so much of fun staying here. Every morning, I would spend some time watching marine life from our private deck. Or read a book. Have coffee while watching them. Then we would go for a run, walk, or do light workout at the gym. And breakfast time. Most of the time, we would snorkel around, hang around on the deck, or head to the sandbanks and watch marine organisms. Also, this place has crazy amount of crabs. There's a small and cozy library. This resort is famous among European tourists, mainly from Italy, France, Denmark, and Poland. So you would find that collection too. They even have a spa. I got hot stone massage and Shirodhara massage, which is an Ayurvedic healing technique. Around 2 liters of medicated oil was dripped into my forehead. I'll make a separate video for that. This place is so full of marine life, so we decided to go for scuba diving. Wow, it was amazing. I have never swum so close to any fish in my life. It was a beautiful experience. The Thali restaurant opens only in the evening for sunset view. The stretch to walk over there is so scenic and you would feel like you are walking in a movie set. This island is very small but beautiful. We walked around so many times but never got bored of it. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served at the same restaurant. Usually, after dinner, they organize fun activities like movie nights, dance nights, bingo nights, or white theme nights. We stayed for 5 nights and 6 days, and we felt like this was less. When we booked for the vacation, we thought 5 nights is more than enough for such a small island, but yeah, it was not. Our time has come to say bye and return to our world. Somewhere there in the middle is our seaplane landing dock. Till there we would go by boat and transfer to seaplane. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Keep watching for more videos and see you next time.